on how we got in here.
Well, I got this in here.
Dang, this one's nice.
And I've had my first IRL system 3. That's awesome. What is this building?
I don't know. Oh, look at that smoke.
The Pyrotronics
Alright,
TI3.
alright, motor. What do you want to do? Basement again. Oh, I want to end my video down there. We're gonna end down there, yeah. Because I don't want to end on one.
I accidentally cut it.
Yeah, because you saw your EST3 and we get to see monitor TR.
EST3.
Or
Pyrotronics System 3.
thanks.
EST3 would be different.
Is that a brand? No. Expert Elevator Corp. Hopefully there's no. Wow, that thing is tall. There it goes. Oh, nice door. Alright, that's it.